If you're dealing with a flickering turn signal, a sticky cancel mechanism, or complete failure of your indicator lights, the culprit is often the turn signal switch itself. Today, we're looking at the Beck Arnley 201-204-6 replacement switch to see if it's the right fix for your vehicle. The core purpose of this unit is to restore safe, reliable operation of your turn signals, hazard lights, and often your high beam control. What makes the Beck Arnley option stand out is its commitment to being a true OE-grade replacement. It's not a generic part. It's engineered to match the original equipment's form, fit, and function precisely. This means the stalk should feel familiar, the connectors plug right in, and it integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's column. Beck Arnley builds this switch with high-quality materials and componentry, constructing it specifically to withstand the harsh environment under the steering column, enduring constant temperature swings, vibration, and frequent use. A key point of confidence is that every unit is 100% tested for both mechanical and electrical performance before it leaves the factory, so you know it should work right out of the box. Furthermore, it's application-specific, ensuring you get the correct variant for your exact vehicle's make, model, and year. In real-world use, a proper installation results in crisp, positive clicks when signaling, smooth cancellation after a turn, and dependable lighting. The major pro is its OEM-like quality and reliability without the dealership price tag. The primary con is that installation can be involved, requiring steering column disassembly, which might intimidate some DIYers. Compared to a bargain bin switch, the Beck Arnley justifies its moderate price point through its rigorous testing and OE matching specs. Compared to the actual OEM part, it offers near-identical performance for less. A practical tip: before ordering, double-check your vehicle's exact specifications and existing switch part number. During installation, disconnect your battery to avoid any airbag or electrical issues, and take your time with the column covers. Overall, if you need a durable, reliable turn signal switch that acts like the original, the Beck Arnley 201-204-6 is a solid, trustworthy choice that gets the job done right. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.